Okay, I'm gonna show you 5 of the best faceless YouTube short niches that you must start today if you want to target the USA audience and go viral in 2025. These niches are very simple to start. Anyone can do it even with a mobile phone, and these are evergreen niches, which means these videos are going to be trending for several years, not just 2 or 3 months. I will also show you how to create videos for these niches. With that being said, let's start with the first niche, which is real-life scary stories. You've probably seen videos in this niche all over social media. I want you to remember something. Whenever you are watching a scary or horror short video, how many times have you scrolled down without completing the full story? 99% of the time, you will completely watch the video till the end to see what's going to happen. That's why I love this niche. This niche has some unique power to keep up with the curiosity of the viewer till the end. That's why these channels are getting thousands of, if not millions of views with this niche. Let me tell you a secret trick for this niche. Don't post the whole story once. Create 3 parts of the same story and post all 3 videos. This trick will help you to get subscribers fast. If you want to know how to create videos for this niche, watch this video on my channel. You can learn everything. The next niche is going to be the fake tech stories niche. This niche started as a TikTok trend and now it's blowing up on YouTube as well. The crazy thing is that there are unlimited categories for this niche. All you need to do is create an attention-grabbing fake text conversation. People love to watch these videos, but most of the time they don't know that these are fake stories, which makes their curiosity even higher. Creating videos for this niche is actually easier than you think. And I would like to thank VidAI for sponsoring this video. This is an AI short video generator that you can use to generate short-form content from scratch. The owner of this tool is Matt from the Make Money Matt channel. And let me show you how to use this tool to generate videos for this fake chat stories niche. Once you open a new project, you can select any of these templates. We have an AI story template, a fake text video template, and they are going to release several new templates soon. Let's select this fake text story template. I'm going to rename this project as Story 1. Now, you can type your story, or you can generate a text story using this AI script feature. As an example, you can type a heated conversation between a boss and employee. I'm going to select the serious tone from here, and let's generate this story. As you can see here, we have the complete text story. You can use this method, or you can use ChatGPT to generate a story using a prompt like this. Then, you need to manually add the text. It's really simple. Just copy and paste the conversation one by one, then click this plus icon to open a new tab for sender and receiver. Just like this, you can copy the whole conversation here. After that, you can change the name of this chat here. I'm going to stick with this name, Matthew, and then you can click this and upload an image as a DP for this chat. It's really simple. Now go to the themes from this top menu and select a chat template that you prefer. Then, if you get to this video option, you can select background video, or you can upload your own background video to this. For this example video, I'm going to stick with one of these videos. Finally, go to this audio option and select suitable AI voices for both sender and receiver. In this case, the sender is male, therefore let's select a male voice. And for the reviewer, I'm going to select a female voice. Then, you can select or upload background music to this video, and you can control its volume here. After you complete that, click this render option to finish the video. Let's see the final output.
Hey babe, how was work today?
Hey, it was all right. Just the usual, you know?
Yeah, nothing interesting happened?
Nope, just a long, boring day. Why do you ask?
Just making sure. You've been working a lot of late nights lately.
Yeah, I told you. Just a busy schedule.
Right, a busy schedule with extra overtime?
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. Just wondering, do they pay extra for those late night meetings with Tyler?
What?
Now that's perfect, so just like this, you can create videos for the fake chat stories niche. Now let's move on to the third niche, which is the facts niche. Things like fun facts, science facts, and psychology facts fall under this category. This is also one of the most viral and easy to start niches on YouTube. As you can see here, this video has 45 million views. This one has 2.5 million views. And this one has 16 million views. This niche can pull an insane amount of views even with just one video. Creating videos for this niche is also super easy. If you go to ChatGPT and use a prompt like this, you can easily generate hundreds of video ideas for any category. Then, you can also use ChatGPT to generate a script for these topics. Since we have VidAI, we can easily generate videos for this script. All you need to do is select this AI Faceless short option, and you can either generate a video script or you can add your own video script to this. Since we do have a script, I'm going to paste it here. Now you need to select an AI voice for this video, check all the voices, and select one of the voices that you prefer. Then you need to select an image style for this video. I'm just going to go with comic style images. After that, click this Generate Content option to finish the video. Then you will come to this page. As you can see here, we have our video script and relevant images to represent that part. Here, you can edit the script if you want. And most importantly, if there are any image generations that you don't like, you can regenerate those images. And when you are done with that, click this Next button, and you will come to this page. You can select good background music from the sound list. Make sure to select music that fits this niche. Then I'm going to edit the subtitle style. I'm going to go with multiple words instead of just one word. Then you can edit the font and color of the font as well. These are completely up to you. I'm just going to keep the font color white and the border color black, and I'm going to change the highlight color to purple. Then I'm going to select this zoom video effect, and let's generate the final video.
Your body is way weirder than you think. First, did you know your stomach gets a brand new lining every 3 to 4 days? If it didn't, the acid inside would literally digest itself. Second, your bones aren't as solid as they seem. Technically, they're stronger than steel, ounce for ounce. Human bone can handle more pressure than reinforced concrete.
This is perfect now. If you are planning to start new channels with these niches, you can use VidAI for that. It will save tons of your time. You can get VidAI using the link in the description. Now, let's go to the next niche, which is motivational story shorts. Channels like Living Wisdom has gained millions of subscribers and millions of views with this niche. Wisdom and Folklores is another channel that has gained huge success in this niche. Even though the competition is a little bit higher than in other niches, you can still become successful in this niche, because this is an evergreen niche. There are several categories in this, such as wisdom stories and stoic stories. If you want to learn more about this niche, I would recommend you guys to watch these 2 videos on my channel, where I go through every step of creating a channel in this niche. The final niche of today's video is the quiz niche. You can apply this to any category like general knowledge, science, chemistry, and questions about movies, and more. Take a look at this channel. They have gained 171,000 subscribers with just 26 videos. They post videos about general knowledge. This is another channel in this niche which has 1.1 million subscribers with 62 million views. They mainly post videos about quizzes related to celebrities and singers, and that's working well for them. If you are interested in this niche, drop a comment. I will make full course about this niche. So, these 5 niches are going to be trending for at least the next 5 years, so you would better start today. And with that, today's video has come to an end. I hope you learned some valuable information from this video. I wish you guys the best of luck.